What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tazbegrinding. You know what I'm saying? If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a like in the comment. And today, we got a good little video. I'm about to go ahead and drive an AMG for the first time in my life. Should be nice. It's an AMG S550, and I don't know what year it is and all that yet. But we about to go ahead and go down there. So we gotta take a trip down into Detroit. I'm only about 15-30 minutes away from it. So let's get it. Dang, it feel good on here, y'all. See, Michigan's so bipolar. Now it's 60 degrees outside. It's crazy. I need to go ahead and get a thumbnail for today's video. Oh yeah, today's video. And I'm about to go make a video today. So here we go. Oh, y'all cold start though. Alright, so we about to go down to my uncle's car wash or whatever. So he offered to give me a free car wash and I can ride in the AMG, you know what I'm saying, do my little review. And yeah, so I'm about to drop this for y'all. If y'all want to know what the AMG look like and stuff and how it driving inside, I got y'all. So let's go. I'm gonna turn this back on once we get there. Alright, man, we made it up here. Let me see something. Why you go Rucci instead of 40s? Everybody over here Rucci or something? Everybody over here Rucci's or something?
Let me take my cup. Turn that cup like this.
Alright. Yeah. I'm just go my old car. It's the first car. They did this stuff too. I remember this thing. That's some good memories in here. What all you did to it so far?
Put the wheels on it, modified the wheels. That was about it.
Okay. What year is this?
2014.
Okay.
2015.
Pop the hood for me. What come in here?
V8 twin turbo.
Ooh. Hey, this that big thing. Hold on. Hey, man.
You gotta take a little test drive. See how it goes.
Hey, this thing a beast, man.
Yeah.
I can't even see the turbo. You could tell it's doing something. You see all that. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's because they going into the intake. You know what I'm saying? I was looking for them. They kind of hidden. Okay. Alright, man. Big AMG over here.
Yeah.
That boy clean though. I was trying to get my pops over here so he can come check it out. I didn't even know you had the rims on there. I didn't know you had the rims on there now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you gave me a little surprise. I just thought I was coming just to.
Yeah.
I said that the boy clean. What color is this? Is it one of those weird Benz colors?
Yeah. I would say like.
It's like it look like something kind of weird, kind of gray they would call it or something.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, this boy clean, yo. Formatted. Oh, CLS. That's a 550. Yeah, that's a 550. It sound good? Hey, one thing though, like AMGs be sounding real crazy though. Like when they just got like a little muffler delete or something. But I know you probably trying to stay low key and look good.
Yeah, I ain't gonna look that anything.
Cause you probably could. You know they do sell like nice and exhaust and stuff for these cars. Where they not loud, but they give you something when you step on it, but it's still quiet when it's like, you know what I'm saying, you cruise. It's like it would just be an exhaust you would buy. It's like it's just a cat bag. You know, you would just get a cat bag. So it ain't nothing like, it ain't nothing raggedy. Oh yeah, it's a lot of trunk space in there.
That little thing.
Yeah. Hey man, you should check that out though. It ain't gonna be raggedy, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna be raggedy, you feel me?
Check it out. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see, man. I gotta see.
You just gotta look up some ones that you might like because you could just get somewhere, you know what I'm saying, where you step on it, it's loud, but when you just cruising, it's quiet or stuff like that.
When I put it in sport, it like got a different.
Oh, he was in the sport mode?
No.
What mode this is?
It's regular mode.
I want to hear sport mode, man. Come on, man. I want to hear it from back though. Like I gotta hear it.
No, I don't know if it's on. Let me see.
This man goes.
It's sport mode. It's in sport mode.
I'm about to say yeah. No, you in eco mode, bro.
No, that's sport mode.
It say eco on the dash.
No, look.
Bro, it say eco.
Okay. But look, it's sport mode too. Manual. That's eco right there.
Okay.
And that's
so you was in sport. I was so under why I said eco. Yeah. Yeah, man. All right, man.
Perfect.
Yeah, y'all, man, this boy hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? That boy hard. He ain't got nothing done to the pipes or nothing, you know. But yeah, this boy tough, bro. All right, man. How we even? Why you? All right, it's right here. What? Bro, how do you drive this thing, bro? Bro, you just flick the lever right there? That's crazy. All right. And hopefully you don't be complaining I mess with his buttons, but let's see. Jeez. All right, well, anyways, we about to go here. Your boy in the S550, hold on. Hey, man. Hey, this boy clean, y'all. I'm messing with it. This man left his hood open. Bruh. I was wondering why it's driving like this. It's not letting you go fast at all because the hood is open. This man got me. We're about to test out so this twin turbo right here. We gonna test it out, y'all. I like that. I think that's all-wheel drive, y'all. It goes, that 0 to 60 pretty cool. Let's see. Let's get a little 30 rolling. Hey, I like that. It be pulling. I mess with this, y'all. Let's see. We gonna try and play with the paddle shifters, but not right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all like a little. I should go to get y'all like a front view, a quick pull. I'm gonna show y'all the speedometer. I don't want to take no big turns either. I ain't never drove no car on no rims. You know, I know that rubbing is a thing. Here we go, y'all. Jeez, it's so smooth. That thing's smooth, yo. It's so quiet too. Like this will hurt your feelings if it pulled in this you. It's this quiet and it's pulling, bro. It's just nice. But yeah, we about to go ahead. We about to play with the paddle shifters real quick. Here we go. Uh-oh. What we got here? A little scat? A little Hellcat? Nah, he ain't want it. Can't be racing in my man's car. Yeah, man, but that's just a quick video. The AMG pool, man. The Charger at the Daytona didn't want to play. It's crazy. I'm like, bro. But then I can't be racing in nobody else's car. This ain't my car. But trust and believe, if I was in carnage, it'd be over. But it was cool driving this. Like, AMG is real smooth. I know this ain't no performance one or no fast one, but it got a nice motor in there. It can be fast. It's all-wheel drive too. Like when I take off the little 0 to 60, no wheel spin. This joint nice though. But yeah, I'm about to head back. I'm about to take dude his car back. So yeah, shout out to Unc for letting this let me do this. Yeah, y'all, this boy clean though. For sure. I like AMGs. I like AMGs. We're gonna give y'all a quick little montage and walk around, you know. So that's gonna be it for the AMG.
Perfect.